It's been a very stable day on the crypto market today. And for Bitcoin, only 0.3%, that's nothing. However, if we look to the fear and greed index, it actually is going well. Yesterday it was 28, now it's up 10 points to 38. And we're actually starting to get over into the green zone. So, even though we can't see it on the price on Bitcoin yet, it does seem to be moving in a good direction. Also, some other positive news. We saw El Salvador making Bitcoin a legal tender. Now, guess what? Tanzania's president is now calling for Bitcoin and crypto adoption. Now it's happening in Africa too. And with El Salvador, that's like a population of only about, I think it's 6 million. Tanzania, 58 million. So many more people. And it's interesting, this thing in El Salvador meant that suddenly other South American countries looked into adopting Bitcoin. Mexico, for instance, Argentina, a lot of countries, Guatemala as well. Now, we've got Tanzania thinking about adopting Bitcoin. So, who knows? Maybe some other African countries jump the bandwagon as well. We already know that Nigeria, for example, they are trading a lot of Bitcoin, the inhabitants of Nigeria. There's still something about the El Salvador adoption of Bitcoin, though, because IMF, the International Monetary Fund, were actually, let me just have a bit of water. We're actually talking about giving a loan to El Salvador because El Salvador has had a hard time with the COVID crisis. And now they are meeting with the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, is meeting with the president of El Salvador to discuss that, well, they don't like that El Salvador are going in on Bitcoin because it's not good for the IMF, for the banks, because Bitcoin is not good for the banks. And it says that it's happening today. An IMF team would be meeting with President Nayib Bukele today. So what this tells us is that if nothing happens in the short span of the future, it's pretty clear that El Salvador actually is continuing with using Bitcoin as a legal tender, and the IMF won't be able to stop them. So that's definitely something to look out for, whether the IMF can actually persuade El Salvador not to use Bitcoin. So it's exciting. Also, like we were talking about Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor, the guy who is investing not just 400 million, but now 488 million. And to do that, him and his company MicroStrategy actually sold 1 billion of its stock for that reason. So not only are they putting money into Bitcoin and into crypto, they're taking it out of the stock market. So very interesting and very positive news for Bitcoin and crypto. And Bitcoin, guess what? Because it's stable, we're still down. Now we're not down 30% anymore. Now it's 29%. However, it's still a good buy. And I'm still dollar cost averaging because we don't know when it's not going to be a good time to buy Bitcoin. Some people would say it's always a good time to buy Bitcoin because in the future, Bitcoin is just headed towards the stars. Some people are even saying that it's going to hit 250,000 this year. And some are saying that in the next cycle, in 4 years, it will hit 1 million. So if that's right, you can never go wrong. However, it's down 30%. So right now is an even better time to buy. So I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm not a financial advisor. Remember that. You need to do your own research. However, I think it's a very good idea to dollar cost average in Bitcoin right now. And when it comes to the altcoins, when it comes to all the other coins, we've got Ethereum still up 41% over the last 3 months. Even though it has fallen a lot, it was up at 4,000 at some point. ADA still up 25%. Doge 455%. But a lot of the altcoins are still up, also Matic up. And for that reason, I'm not that keen on investing into altcoins right now, because if you look at the graph for altcoins, it's just going up, 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 up. And a lot of people are thinking that the alt market is due for a correction, even though it had one. Because Bitcoin is so low, when Bitcoin starts shooting up, the alt market won't just follow exactly like Bitcoin. And right now Bitcoin has so much attention, so I think it's realistic that we might see a correction in the alt market, and that's when I want to buy. However, I may buy some altcoins as well. When I'm reaching right now, I'm doing the 50% Bitcoin in your portfolio. So when I hit that, I may start going in on, or when I get above the 50%, I'm actually at 48% right now. So I am at 50% Bitcoin in my portfolio. But maybe when I hit the 60%, maybe, who knows, maybe I'll start investing in some more altcoins. And obviously, Ethereum is one of the most interesting altcoins, because so many platforms are built on there, or it is such a great platform for smaller organizations to build upon there. And Cardano as well. Polkadot I like as well. Polkadot especially, I think, is very good to buy right now because it's down 32%. So it has a lot of potential. Yeah, but that's today's video, guys. I see you tomorrow.